Okay, let's continue with this bathroom here. So let's plumb up these fixtures, okay? So what I need to do is look at a cross section using the section tool here. And let's rotate that on -90. And let's look at these two, because the piping is going to go from my bottom screen up to the top of the screen and out. Okay, so let's look at right click and go to that view. And let's look at these plumbing fixtures. Let's see these. I think I need to pin these. Okay, let's pin here. Okay. And because of this floor drain, I know I need to go down and not horizontal first. Okay, let's do this. Let's look at the floor drain first. And let's go back to the section view and see what we have. Let's make sure all of our settings are okay. And I'm just gonna go over, I think I'm gonna slope. Let's slope. Let's just have some fun. Because usually you shouldn't have to be sloping anything. Usually when it's this tight in here for Revit purposes, because the contractor is gonna slope all of this anyway. But let's just have some fun. I'm gonna go back. So I know that I need to go down at least that much. Let's put this trap in here. And then I can play with this up and down as long as this piece is not more than 2 feet, then I'm okay. Let's go back to first floor so I can get another view here. And I'm going to extend out to there. And okay, so at least we got something to go on. Okay. And let's pipe this up. So I'm thinking of sloping. I think it's okay. I'm not going to slope at this point. I know that. So that is in the way. I'm just going to trim it back a little bit. Let's modify and trim here, here. Okay, and delete that. Okay, so we got this. No slope. Okay, and we just go down. And to connect my second lavatory, I'm going to create, let's go back. At this point, I'm going to tighten up my fittings. I'm not going to use that Y combination. I'm going to use another fitting just for Revit purposes. T reducing sanitary, I think I want that one. And say okay. Now let's go back. And I need to cap this piece. Okay. Just so I can keep my fitting count the integrity of my fittings, I guess I could say. This should be 12 because that's a close-in. And it should be 12 fixture units. Okay. And let's go back to the first floor and get another view. I think let's just connect all of these first. I think that just no slope, okay. Come here, down, do the same thing. And we have this pipe drawn. Cap this off again. Let's look at this guy here. Okay, everything should be cool. 4, 12. Okay, let's go back again. and go here. I think that these last two water closets I can come from the top and go down onto my main pipe that's going to run from the bottom of my screen to the top. And another, let's go here and let's get that last water closet. Okay, let's go here, no slope. Okay, now that should be 6. Yeah, okay, 6 fixture units. Let's go back. I think that I'm going to rotate my section view 90 degrees so that I can draw my main pipe. Go back to the section view, and it is here. The floor drain piping, let's get a little peek, just a little peek, just a little. Okay, so at least we know. I think for my floor drain, I'm gonna come down onto my piping. Let's slope that down. Slope down. Let's go back, because I don't want to go down. I can go up on my floor drain. Let's go this here. Let's rotate at -90. Let's take a look at it. Let's go up some, because I think I have enough room. I hope I have enough room to come down onto that pipe. Let's go. Let's turn that off. And let's go back and rotate again 90 degrees. Let's look at that section view. We'll see. So I can come down. Let's do that. And here, and draw my pipe at a slope that's going down. And I'm going past. Yeah, okay. So what needs to happen is I need to line up all of these, right? So to do that, I'm going to take this and turn off my slope. Let's turn off the slope. Just a little piece here. This, okay. So you want to get something that's going to align with your pipe. So that's another trick. Let's go back, and now we can align one pipe to that pipe. Let's align this pipe and that pipe, and one more, this pipe and that pipe. Okay, and let's go to the 3D view, and I'm here. Okay, so let's look at this so that I can get a good picture of what's going on. Okay, I'm going to erase all of this so I can make those connections. Okay, now I need to go back and put my Y combination in here. Okay, let's go there, let's go here, and now we can come over and 2. Uh-oh. Let's go back. What happened? What happened here? Here. Something is not lining up, huh? Okay, let's go to section view and go here. Draw a pipe with no slope. Let's line it up again. Okay, because I want to line it. Waste. Now, what is the problem? Let me take it off and then realign it. Okay, we have one pipe aligned with the first pipe. Now, let's go back, off, delete, view, extend. Yes, okay. So that looks good. Now let's get this floor drain, which shouldn't be a problem. I should be able to come straight down onto it. Gave myself enough room. It says 37, 256. What? Let's do this again. I don't like that slope. Let's rotate that a negative 90. 90 and see what's going on with this guy. What's the problem here? I'm gonna erase all of this. Let's do this. Okay. And slope down 1/8. How we doing? Let's see, does the P-trap mess up my sloping or what? Yeah. Let's go back. Huh. I'm not gonna worry about it. Looks like that's a Revit problem. Okay, I'm gonna go up as far as I can. And where's my first floor? Draw my pipe and come over and down. Uh-oh, not enough room. Let's see here. Let's see, what is Revit doing to me? Draw a pipe, slope down. Okay, I don't see any dynamic connections here. There's something, but I think that let's just put a little opening here. Okay, do that and go back. Second floor. Okay, slope down. Oh, what? Huh. Let's try it. It's 39. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna have no slope on it. Okay, no slope. Okay, let's go over 14. Drag. There's not enough room. Is it locked? Let's see if this is pinned. Nope. Okay, so I can move this. I think that Revit is telling me that I'm too close to these water closets. Let's move this guy out of the way, which doesn't well, we'll see what happens. Let's just see what happens. There's not enough room. Maybe I'm up, maybe I'm not up high enough. Let's do this again. Okay, yeah, I think that I need to go down on this guy. Let's see if Revit will be okay with me. Yeah, how did I know that wasn't gonna work? So let's go back and let's grab a couple more of these because Revit is not letting me go down. Go back to section view. Let's use the arrow key and go down, down. Okay, that's good. Now, maybe, I think that might be the problem. I think that might, nope. Still. Okay. Man, yeah, it's pretty tight in there with that Y fitting. I see. Now let's go here and just kind of scoot it down. Oops. Man. Overall, let's get this. Select. Another selection. Clean out. Go back. Now we should be able to go down, right? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay. I'm gonna stop here and yeah, there's a lot more work to do. But at least we have that. Revit will tell you when you don't have enough room. So you just reverse engineering, and then I can move this back up, close this gap a little bit. But yeah, that was some troubleshooting there. So everything should be okay now. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later.